Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be pranking my aunt. Basically, I'm going to be asking her if she can basically crack my back, but I'm going to have this in my mouth and I'm going to basically bite on it so it will sound like, that she cracked my back too hard. And let me show y'all how it sounds like. It sounds like this. Like that, if you heard it. But yeah, it sounded like that. And no, I did not just swallow it. I took it off. But I'm gonna prank her. My mama is in it. My mama is into it. My mama client is in it. Cause my mama do nails. So y'all go shop. Y'all go get your nails done at her. Follow her on Facebook. Crystal Denise. That's her Facebook. So if y'all wanna go get your nails done, or y'all mamas wanna go get their nails done, then go to Facebook and hit her up on Messenger. But anyway, yeah. So let's get started because I gotta go set up this camera and she can't know where I'm setting this camera up at. So yeah. Had about enough. I had to stop recording. Got too bored.
I see your homegirl there.
Who, Cheers?
Treasure with her ranch mom.
Where was she at?
She asked me, did you have something? I forgot. You didn't talk to her? She had what? I don't know. Oh, she said, who did your nails? Jada's mom? Oh. She said, your hair look like mine. We got the same person who did it. Is you still got your Jada's hair? What is it? Shawty said they get hers then. He said right at 11.
Who said that?
If he not, then I'm gonna take her to the deeper.
It's a man that do hair?
What did my hair on you?
Huh?
You don't hear when that boy did your hair?
No, I'm here. I was somewhere else. I don't know.
Show me she grown. You know where she is.
I don't.
Let me think. You go back.
Oh yeah. Cause I was going. Cause I came back.
No, you was first.
Just like you. Oh yeah.
Why so after they bring Tabby?
She ain't come to stay. She was irritated.
What was wrong with her?
I don't know. I said, Samantha, you mad?
She's stupid. And what she say?
She said, no. I heard.
Yeah, she probably was. Boy, I ain't never been so happy in my life to see it look like that. There's no milk on the counter. I need milk in the cup or something. Oh, baby girl, you love that.
Can you cut my back?
Can I cut your back?
No. Crack my back.
What you want me to do, step on?
No, like, I don't care. Yeah.
Alright, yeah, later. You better not say what you said. Me, I'm gonna write that motherfucker. It's just one foot.
Oh, you just cracked it. Wait, no, you didn't. Go ahead.
Girl, I'm not about to keep fooling with you.
Wait, go down. Go down.
I am down. How you want me to crack your butt or your back? Huh? Which one?
Back.
Okay.
Oh, freak. Girl, you.
What? You want me to crack your back? Where Kia go? Where Kia went?
Could I